Hello everyone, today's menu is shrimp porridge. Our ingredients are shrimp, rice, ginger and green onion. First of all, we have to put the oil on the hot pan. After that, we have to add the shrimp heads and ginger and stir fry it together. Stir it well until it's cooked. After that, add 2 bowls of water. When the soup boils, take all the shrimp heads out. Then add the half cup of washed rice. Boil the porridge until it spreads. After the porridge is completely spread, we have to add the shrimps. Add some chicken powder and some sugar if you prefer. Let it boil for 5 more minutes. Finally, we can add green onion and mix it well. Our yummy shrimp porridge is ready to serve. Thank everyone for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.